In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Google Drive. What we're really doing is placing a YouTube link inside a Google Doc that lives in your Drive. So it's easy for anyone with access to open the document and jump straight to the video. This is a clean, reliable way to keep a video reference attached to your files without downloading anything. Start by opening Google Drive and going to your Drive home. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want this document to live. Next, open YouTube in a new tab and navigate to the video you want to reference. Click the video to open its dedicated page, then copy the link from your browser's address bar. If you prefer, you can also use the share button on YouTube to copy a neat shortened URL. Both work fine for this purpose. Head back to Google Drive and create a new Google Docs file by clicking the new button and choosing Google Docs. A blank document will open in a new tab. At the top of the page, type a clear, descriptive title for the video. This can be the original video title or a short label like team intro video or product demo. Think about what will make the most sense to anyone who opens the document later. With the title text selected, go to the menu bar and choose Insert, then Link. A small field will appear where you can paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier. Paste it into the box and click Apply. Your title text will turn into a clickable link, and in many cases, Google Docs will also show a small preview card when you hover over it. This makes it obvious to readers that the text points to a YouTube video. That's it. You now have the YouTube video linked inside a Google Doc stored in your Drive. Anyone who can open the document can click the linked text and watch the video in YouTube. For clarity, you can add a short sentence under the title, like click the title above to watch, or format the text so it stands out. You can also rename the document in the top left corner of the page so it's easy to find in your Drive. Thanks for watching. By keeping your YouTube link inside a Google Doc on Drive, you create a quick, shareable reference that's simple to maintain and easy for collaborators to access.